Good morning students, welcome to our math class. Today we will start our part 2 from topic what is long and what is round. Before classes we have read about what is long and what is round. For example, I have shown you this ball and this is round and it has a curved surface, so it is round. And another thing what I have shown you, that this is a bat. Okay, so this one is a bat and bat is long. Okay, so we have read about these things. And what we have read about, now the round objects that the round objects which has a curved surface that roll. What? It rolls. Okay, it rolls. And the objects which has flat surface, they used to slide. If we will push it, it will slide. It will slide like this. Okay, for rolling and sliding we have completed. Now we will now in this chapter you have that some objects are also there which can roll as well as which can slide. For example, if I will take this water bottle, okay, this water bottle also have curved surface. Okay, if we will take a round water bottle, then but it also has a flat surface also. If I will just move it, it will roll. But if I want to slide it, it can also slide. So this is the bottle. It has also a curved surface and a flat surface. Curved surface, if we will move like this, it will roll, and this has a flat surface. If we will move like this, I will push it, it will slide down. Yes or no? So now just tell me, before going to rolling and sliding properly, I want to ask you some questions. So tell me 5 names of long objects. 5 things of long objects. Yes, bat. Very good. Bat is long, I know. Number 2, hockey stick. Very good. Hockey stick is also long. Next, scale. Very good. Means your ruler. Ruler is long. Next, pencil box. Yes, pencil box is also long. Number 5, stick. Stick is also long. Okay, yes, water bottle, etc. These are long things. And now just tell me about the things which is round, which looks like round figure. Tell me. Yes, your ball, your football. Very good. Next, tell me. Your clock also. When you used to see clock, let me show you here. Let me just a minute. Let me show you here. Just look here. If I will draw a clock here, it is also round. If I will show a clock here, okay, let's see. It is also what? Round. Very good. Next, your tomato. Yes, if I will draw a tomato here, yes, it is also round. Some tomatoes are little bit oval shapes but it looks like round. So these are the things which is round. That means you have read that means you have read at home properly. So we know that what is long and what is round. Now these long and round things, how it rolls and how it slides, we will read. How it slides. Now you know that long objects which has flat surface, they can slide down. They will not, it is not possible to roll because they doesn't have a curved surface. Understood? But the objects which has curved surface, means that is round, they can roll, but they cannot slide down. Okay. Now we will come to the objects which are long as well as round. For example, if I will tell, just a minute, this is your pencil. This is round and also long. This is round and also long, but as it has no flat surface, so it will roll down. it will roll down. Okay, but this water bottle, this water bottle is what? It is long, it is also round, it also has flat surface at the bottom, so this bottle will also roll down and also slide down. Okay, that means there are so many objects are there which can roll, slide as well. They can do both rolling and sliding. So now we will come to our textbook, everyone. We will come to our textbook. There is an activity. Okay, before going to activity, there is a box. See everyone, there is a box given you, and I have drawn this box here. Okay, I have drawn this box here. Okay, that means things which rolls, things which slide, things which both roll and slides. Now name me, just tell me things which can roll. Any 4 objects which can roll? Yes, very good. Lemon, lemon can roll. Another thing, yes, tell me which can roll? Football, good. Football also can roll. Next, what about egg? Very good. Onion. Okay, there are more examples also, but if you want to write this ones, write it, or other examples you can also write in your books. Next we will move to things which slide. That means the things which can slide, they cannot roll. That means, for example, this one, this is your book, that this can also slide down, this will not roll as it has no curved surface, so we will write book. Okay, we can write book. Yes, I have shown you duster, this duster, you can write it duster. Next, what about a plate? A plate, very good, very good. Next, yes, a pencil box, good, pencil box. Next we will come to things which both roll and slide, means that can roll also, that can slide also. Tell me a wheel. See, I will draw a wheel here. See, I will draw a wheel here. A wheel. Okay. A wheel here. If I will draw a wheel. See, this one can roll down, and if I will put it like this, and if I want to push it, it can also slide down. Okay. So we can write a wheel. Okay. Next, tell me a pen. Yes, very good. Next, yes, coin. Coin, very good. And another, your buttons which you put in your shirts. Okay, the buttons also. Okay, so these are the things, means these are the things which can roll, these are the things which can slide, and these are the things which can roll as well as slide. So now listen, there is an exercise, there is an activity to tell you that how to draw tree. For example, if you will take a paper sheet like this, okay, paper sheet, and you will roll it this like a pipe. Okay, you will take a pipe, take a scissor and cut it like this. Okay, then your paper will look like this. Just a minute, I will show you. I have cut it like this, yes or no? Then I will press its ends. Okay, I will press its end. Okay, see, this is a tree now. You can color this. If you want to just you can cut it more, having more length. Okay, this will become a tree. Please practice this activity at your home, you can do it. Next is how to make tower. Okay, how to make towers with things. For example, if I will take a book, if I will put this book, if I will put this copy upon it, then again another copy, then another book, then another what? Book. Like this I can make a tower. I can make it a tower. Next, if I will take some cubes, if I want to make a tower like this, see, like this, I can make a tower. But if on this tower I want to put up this, it can, but upon this if I want to put this, it cannot be, because ball rolls down. If ball will roll down, my tower will be destroyed. Okay, like this, it's your homework to take out something, some objects and make a tower of that things. Okay, you have to make tower from this. For example, you can use your match boxes, your cold drink cans, you can use it. Okay, so that part you have to do it. So this is a coin. See, this one is a coin. Now I will use this coin and I will show you how it rolls and how it can slide also. So see, I will take a plain surface here. If I will roll it down, it will roll like this. Yes or no? If I will roll it down, it will roll like this. But if I will use this flat surface and I want to slide it. See, I want to slide it. Again I am sliding it. It can also slide. Yes or no? Listen, so is it clear how it rolls and how it slides? So in the last part, there is a question that hold the coin like this and make coin spin. Does a coin roll? That means yes, a coin can also roll. Does it slide? Yes. So can you make a 1 rupee coin stand like this? So can you make a 1 rupee coin, as I have no 1 rupee coin with me? If you have, just hold like this and just try to put it like this. Can it will stand like this? No, because this has a curved surface. It cannot stand. Okay, so you have to do this exercise, or you have to do this activity with 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins. Okay, 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. Is it clear? So today we have completed this topic, that what is long and what is round. What we have done? Now we have done that the things which has flat surface that can slide, and the things which has curved surface that rolls down, and some things are also there. For example, this drum, this can slide also and this can roll also. Okay, so what we have read about how the things are long, the things are round, and how the things which have curved surface that rolls, and the things which have flat surface that slides, and some things have that are long, that have curved surface that can roll, and they have both curved surface as well as flat surface, and they can roll as well as slide. So what we have read? Things which roll, things which slide, things both the roll and slide. So we have finished here our chapter. In next video we will move to our chapter 2. So please read this and try to do the activities which I have shown you. So bye everyone. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.